Hello, welcome to math. We're going to be learning about time. So we're going to be learning something new. It is time, and we're going to go ahead and go over our picture vocabulary. So our first vocabulary word is hour. So the hour is the first number that you always see and the first number that you always say when you are telling the time. You always say the hour first. So the hour is represented throughout the whole clock. Our next vocabulary word is hour hand. So the hour hand, which one do y'all think is the hour hand? Yes, this short one. So the shorter hand is the hour hand. The shorter one. Our next vocabulary word is minute hand. So the longest hand is the minute hand. It's the one in red. So it's the longest one is the minute hand. Then we go to half hour. When half hour is represented, the minute hand is on the 6. So the minute hand is the longest one, and it's on the 6, so that means it's half hour. And you'll learn more about half hour later on. Then we have clock. Clock. So this, what we're talking about and what we're looking at right now, is a clock. You might see these in your house or in the classroom for sure. Now you know that it's a clock. And our last vocabulary word is o'clock. So right here we have a digital clock, and you can see there's a 6 right here. And whenever we say o'clock, we see 2 zeros. So whenever we see 2 zeros, that means o'clock. So we have 6 o'clock. Because we see 2 zeros. So 6 o'clock. Yes. So that is our vocabulary for time.